Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it on.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Tinashe Hair once more. Got two pieces to the package. So first we'll have a drawstring bag here, which I think has goodies in there. Yes, I am correct. So I have a pair of wig caps. I have a bonnet. I have a pair of lashes, a edge brush and comb. I have two of these clips. I got this headband that has a pattern on it. Elastic headband, branded Tinashe. And then lastly in the bag, I got some of these hairpins. These come in so handy. And then there's the box with the wig, and we're gonna get into it. There's this card here, as it says Tinashe. It lists all their social media and stuff on it, and then there's a little bit of information in the box here about the wig. So yeah, let's get into it. Really cute highlighted body wave wig. This is 24 inches long, by the way. Oh my gosh, they kind of pre-styled it. They gave it these really nice body wave curls. It's so pretty. So this right here is their Wear and Go 5x6 honey highlighted pre-cut HD lace closure wig, guys. As you see, it is very much nicely pre-customized for you, and it's 24 inches long. I'm going to go ahead and put all the specifications in my description box once more. You guys know how I do, so you can check down there for the specific density, but it does feel really full. It feels really soft. I love that. And the curls, oh my gosh, very silky and smooth. The loss is very natural looking as well, so I love that, and I can't wait to just go ahead and jump into this. So the lace closure portion is pretty wide. It's a lot of coverage. I love that, and it is pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about that. Inside of the cap has this elastic band which you can adjust if you want your wig to be like more snugged. You can go ahead and adjust it. I usually love mine to be really nice and snug. This is what really helps for the wig to be glueless, so you know that's a go. Inside of the wig cap also has a total of 3 combs, and they also added an adjustable straps in the back for more security as well. So it's a really nice standout cap construction. I am loving that. They came with a center part, but you could actually part it on the side if you wish as well. I am loving the look completely. So you know the vibes. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this very easy glueless installation. This is how well it's hugging my hairline. It's looking really good. What I'm gonna do, I don't know if you guys can see, there's like a really light casted strip here that doesn't have any hair on it at all. So I'm gonna get really close and just cut off that portion there.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it on.
So you see, I got really close, got rid of that, and you're not seeing any cast at all. All right, that I love how that is looking. Guys, that's pretty much it. All I'm gonna do is go in on the top, get it really flat. Also, I love the fact that since recent times I can do these quick and easy, very beginner friendly installs for you guys, and you don't need to do any swoops. You don't need to do any baby hairs. I know that people aren't necessarily always doing their hair, you know, or they don't usually do the edges. They don't really know how to do that on their own. So having a wig like this where you don't need to finesse the edges or, you know, do swoops, or if that's just not your thing, you don't have to. You know, it's gonna look super realistic just the same, even without all of that. So happy I have been able to give you guys these options.
Mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes. Stir
this is the wig. This is how we're looking. I'm just using my hands to kind of like run through these curls. They're so pretty. Definitely no need to recurl the hair. Like, it's so nicely curled already, and the hair itself is so soft. It's minimal shedding so far, so I'm really happy about that. Like, you can see, can you see? I hope you guys can see that, but just a few strands. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so pretty. So I'm really pleased with that. Tinashe, yeah, you did it again. They've been coming with the quality consistently, and I cannot complain. This is completely beginner friendly, super quick, super easy to install. Look at that. Quick and easy install. Like, and this is perfect for fall. Like, the color job, everything, like the highlights aren't too loud, you know, so I love that. I love the fact that everything is basically done for you already. Like, they customize the cap, they customize the lace, it's pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, it's literally slip on and go kind of a very top tier glueless type of wig construction, and it's perfect for the season, you know. So I mean, what more could you ask for, right? Definitely giving you your money's worth, so I love that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys know that I live for a very easy and quick and convenient install, right? Especially for you guys. So you guys know that I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box if you're interested in getting it for yourself. Also, all specifications for this wig will be listed down below, so please go ahead, check that out. Thank you guys so much, so much for tuning in. If you found this informative, if you like how the wig looks, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Shout out to Tinashe Hair once more, because they did the thing. Love it, love. And oh, by the way, if there are any deals going on currently, any, you know, Black Friday is coming up, right? Yeah, so if there's any discount or anything, all that will be listed down below. The necessary links will be listed, so please check the description box, right? Because we love a good discount. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.